Kung bibigyan ka ng pagkakataon na bumalik sa wedding day mo, what would you tell yourself about being a spouse? Siguro, ang sasabihin mo sa sarili mo, paghahandaan mo ang mga pagsubok. Huwag kalimutang pahalagaan ang inyong spouse araw-araw.
Pero alam mo, kahit gaano ka kahanda noon, may mga bagay pa rin sa buhay mag-asawa na hindi mo talaga mapepredict. Or sometimes you feel like you've lost the spark you once had. Minsan nga napapaisip ka, tama pa ba itong ginagawa ko?
And that's the harsh truth. Hindi laging sunshine and rainbows ang married life. Kahit gaano nating gustong maging maayos at masaya palagi, hindi natin napipili ang mga circumstance. At mapipilit ang ating sarili. Bakit? Kasi madalas, hindi natin nakikita ang tunay na root cause or ang ugat ng problema. Many married couples realize this too late. Kaya worst case, nauuwi sa hiwalayan.
Maraming couples ang nakararanas ng mga sumusunod. Halimbawa na lang sa area ng communication. Madalas ba kayong nagkakaroon ng misunderstanding? Or do you find it hard to express your needs? Or listen to your spouse? Yung iba nga sinasabi naman, lagi kaming may problema sa pera. Pinag-aawayan ba ninyo ang pera? Do you have financial stress that is causing tension in your marriage relationship? Or baka naman nararamdaman mo na hindi na committed or walang commitment ang iyong asawa katulad ng dati. Baka naman nakalimutan mo na yung marriage vow during your wedding day. O kaya talagang hindi mo lang alam kung paano ito i-commit. Minsan, sinasabi nila, may mga bagay na sumisira ng foundation ng trust o yung tiwala tungkol sa isa't isa. Yung iba naman, nagtatrabaho pero hindi nila alam kung paano ang work-life balance. Nahihirapan ba kayong pagsabayin ang mga demands ng pamilya at ang iyong trabaho? Or baka naman emotional or physical check or intimacy issues na yan? Or magkaiba kami sa parenting style. Hindi kami magkasundo, kaya lagi kaming nag-aaway. O kung nakaka-relate ka, tandaan, hindi naman kayo nag-iisa. These challenges are common, but they don't have to define who you are in your marriage.
So all you have to do is to seek guidance. Mahalagang maunawaan natin kung bakit importante ang paghahanap at ang paghihingi ng tulong even in terms of our relationships. Dahil ito ay para sa'yo. A healthier relationship leads to personal growth and happiness. At ito rin ay para sa pamilya mo. Ang matatag na pagsasama ay nakaka-apekto positively sa buong pamilya, lalo na sa mga anak. Strong marriages contribute to stronger communities.
At alam mo ba, if there's one thing na lagi naming sinasabi dito sa Happy Spouse, Happy House, hindi pa huli ang lahat. You can restore what was almost lost once and make it even stronger. Pero paano? Introducing
ang
Happy Spouse, Happy House online coaching program. It is designed for couples who wants to improve their communication or wish to rekindle intimacy and connection. Or if you need guidance in facing challenges and they're ready to work towards a happier and more fulfilling marriage.
What to expect from our program? Unang-una, meron tayong personalized one-on-one sessions. You will have private conversations with us and you'll have a safe space to open up about your concerns. We do have a faith-based approach. Our program integrates biblical principles coupled with proven counseling techniques. Meron din tayong practical tools and strategies. We don't just listen. We will equip you with actionable steps to improve your relationship. We do also focus on strengths. We'll help you identify and build upon the positive aspects of your marriage. And lastly, we have tailored solutions. Every relationship is unique, and we will discern and address your specific situation with the wisdom that only God provides.
And of course, as your marriage coaches, we've been married for 36 years now. And we've been through a lot, through seasons in our married life. Though we're not perfect, but we always believe that together, by the grace of God, we can overcome. We also have counseled a lot of people. We have mentored them, coached them in the area of marriage, parenting, and and family.
For 9 years here at Happy Spouse, Happy House, we have been dedicated to helping couples strengthen their relationships. We bring not just professional expertise, but also personal insights from our journey as a married couple.
So, what is the process? First, we assess. We'll start by understanding your unique situation and concerns. And then after the assessment, we will go to goal settings. Together, we'll identify what you want to achieve in your relationship. And of course, through our conversations, we will explore a lot of questions, but these are guided ones kung ano nga bang nagwo-work para sa inyong dalawa or sa inyong pamilya at saan kayo nahihirapan at bakit. Or paano ninyo ito mabibigyan ng pansin at magkaroon kayo ng inyong koneksyon.
Meron din tayong mga practical application. We will teach you and you will learn some techniques to effectively communicate your needs, to resolve conflicts in a healthier manner, to rebuild trust and intimacy for you to support each other's personal growth. We will also give you ongoing support. We are here to guide you throughout your journey of healing and of growth.
So why do you think you should choose Happy Spouse, Happy House?
It's because of expertise. We have helped numerous couples overcome challenges. And also, meron tayong convenience dahil ang sessions natin ay magiging online. It's online from the comfort of your own homes. Meron din tayong holistic approach. We address all aspects of your relationship, emotional, physical, and spiritual. And lastly, this is hope-centered. Now, while we don't promise quick fixes, we firmly believe in the power of hope and guided effort to transform relationships. And here are our program options. Unang-una, we have single sessions. It's a 1-hour deep dive into your most pressing concerns. And secondly, meron tayong 3-session package. It's a more comprehensive approach allowing us to address multiple areas of your relationship.
So, how are you gonna start? Of course, there's always this first step. Please complete this form. Then, sign up for the Happy Spouse, Happy House online coaching program. And then you can attend our session with an open mind and of course, an open heart.
And so as a final reminder, remember, seeking help is not a sign of weakness, but a strength and commitment to your marriage. So kahit gaano kahirap ang sitwasyon ninyo ngayon, there is always hope and positive change. Sa Happy Spouse, Happy House online coaching program, we're here not just to listen, but we're here to guide you towards a loving, fulfilling relationship you deserve. Let's work together to nurture the love that brought you together and build a stronger foundation for your future.
So ano, handa na ba kayo magsimula sa bagong chapter ng inyong pagsasama?
Reach out to us today. Your journey towards a happier, healthier marriage begins with a single step.